This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 245RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 6, skylight, oven, spare tire kit, CO detector, water heater, microwave, stovetop burner, LP detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 245RL is 6,327 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.